Hello everyone, Namaste, welcome to Times Health Plus. I am Apurva, your yoga instructor, and as like every day, I come here to teach you, to guide you, to become strong, flexible, whatever it is that you want, but more importantly, more grounded, more centered and more peaceful. We are doing a very fun practice today for which we would need a wall and a band. So आप अगर already उसे arrange कर सकें would be great. If you don't have a band, no problem. You can get anything from your wardrobe, anything which is like a band. I will give you some time later on also in the class to arrange. But today's class is all about doing some wall work, some band work to really ease in your shoulders, your neck, your chest, your upper back, and to release stiffness from this area to help you feel better in the long run. Okay, with that everyone, let's start our practice. Let's hold the band here. The first movement we'll practice is shoulder flosses. Okay, एक बार मुझे देख लीजिए, आर्म्स को इस तरीके से खुला रखेंगे. You will hold the band at a comfortable distance. Keeping your elbows straight, you will just go back and down. Again, keeping the arms straight, forward and down. Just this. Okay, we will practice this anywhere between 8 to 10 rounds. धीरे धीरे करना है. अगर आपके लिए ज़्यादा है आप इसे 5 बार भी कर सकते हैं, no problem. Let's go everyone. Inhale and exhale. सांस के साथ करना है, so you're not straining the body. Breathe in and breathe out. Continue. Advanced practitioners, if you feel this is easy, you can decrease the distance of the hands as you're holding the band. So you'll do the same movement with your hands closer and you'll feel that it gets a tad bit harder. That's what we want. Everyone, continue. Just give me 8 to 10 rounds of these nice shoulder flosses. Remember to use your breath. Make sure people you are not compensating. Okay, so you're not compensating with the neck or spine like that. You keep your posture upright as you just go forward and back. Okay, nothing else moves, just your arm. Let's complete last 2, last 1. And we relax. Take a short break, rest. See, the shoulders already feel better. They already feel like they're back in their original place. They're back stacked in the body. That was our first practice. Let's quickly watch the second movement. Something similar to what we do in our warm-up, in our Sukshma Vyayam. You will sit cross-legged like this. You will keep your hands shoulder width. Okay, shoulder width यानी कि यहाँ. तो ज़्यादा भी नहीं खोलना है. You will just keep it shoulder width. Arms को ऊपर रखना है and you will make a torso circle, something like this. You will really try to reach forward, 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 side, and you go all the way back and center. Okay, let me show it to you once from the side also. आगे से reach करते हुए जाना है. As you reach back, you will really take your arms behind your ears and back. So you have to move the shoulder, you have to move the spine. Let's try. We will practice 3 clockwise, 3 anti-clockwise circles very slowly. Everyone, arms up. Let's go slowly. Reach down, forward, left, all the way back, all the way back. And again, continue. 2, move the spine. Move your torso, move the shoulders everyone. And 3, keep breathing. Amazing. Let's try the other side also, anti-clockwise. Reach to the side, all the way back, center, and we continue. one last time. Breathe, everyone. And we relax. Rest. Easy. अगर आपको थोड़ा सा डिस्कम्फर्ट या थोड़ा सा पेन महसूस होता है इन योर मसल्स, अगेन एज आई ऑलवेज से, इट्स योर बॉडी वर्किंग, इट्स योर मसल्स वर्किंग to produce some force, and that's absolutely okay. Okay, we're only getting stronger, which will help us in the long run. So don't worry about it. Breathe. Okay, let's watch the next movement. This is a fun movement. I personally love this. Really helps me to open up my chest and shoulders. Watch this carefully. एक बार ध्यान से मुझे observe कर लीजिए. इस बारी हम बैंड को पीछे रखेंगे, right behind us. One arm will go from above, the other will go from below this way. तो एक हाथ आपका ऊपर, एक हाथ आपका नीचे this way. You hold the band and then you will try to stretch it out this way. Hence making a bow shape. Think of making a bow from your arms. Okay, this way. यहाँ से आपको bow को switch करना है. So you keep the band as far back as possible and you switch it to the other side. Now here people, you have to make sure कि आपके हाथ इस तरीके से आगे ना आए, but it stays as far back as possible. So this and this. Okay, we will only do it 10 times, 5 on one side, 5 on the other side. We'll keep switching and we'll do it slowly. Let's try. Let's keep the band back this way, one arm from above, the other from below. इस तरीके से hold कर लें. Correct. From there, let's extend the arms out fully and let's go. Let's switch the bow, keeping the arms back. 2, 3, continue. 4, remember to keep your arms straight, okay? Try not to bend your elbows. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, last one, and 10, and relax. Rest. Amazing. Good job. इस exercise को I call it bow switches because you are switching the bow. Okay? Rest. Breathe. Just take a moment. Notice how your upper back, how the shoulders, how the chest is feeling. Relax. As you're resting, let's watch the next movement. This time we will keep our hands back, everyone. Okay? You will, with band or without band, I will show you both. अगर आप flexible हैं, if you have good opening in the shoulders, you can just clasp your hands back this way. You will roll your shoulders, push the chest out, and you will start pulsing 1, 2, 3, and we'll do this 30 times. जिन्हें भी ये करने में मुश्किल होती है, you will use a band. So आप बैंड को इस तरीके से होल्ड करेंगे at a comfortable distance. You will roll the shoulders back, chest out, and you'll practice the same pulses. Okay, let's try. Everyone with me. Roll the shoulders, fix your posture. You go 30 seconds. We just go pulses. Just keep pulsing up, 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 up. Keep pulsing. Good job, as high as possible, okay? Advanced practitioners, you can try taking your hands all the way up to shoulder level. Keep going, keep going, keep pulsing. Last 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. Amazing, everyone. Rest, breathe. Okay, let's leave the band now. This was some banded work, कुछ exercises, कुछ movements with the help of the band to release some stiffness here, to add some mobility in your shoulders, in your upper back. Last but not the least, make sure you follow Times Health Plus on your Instagram. Let us build a community of like-minded practitioners so we can grow together, we can practice together, and we can be well and good yogis together. Okay? Now I will sign off. I will see you next class with the same spirit, with the same energy, with your mats. Till then, keep your spine upright, a smile on your face, and stay grateful always. Thank you so much everyone. Namaste.